Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in this time. Today I will teach you how to make this shaped start to make the beginning of your bracelets super tapered and neat, and they'll make them look a lot more professional. Let's get started! First, line up the string that you're going to be using to make your bracelet. I actually did a double pattern on this bracelet, so if you're just going to do a single diamond or a single chevron, then you can just do one of this. Separate your strings so you have the same number of strings on each side with the same colors on each side. Then separate the first string in your pattern, move it so it's to the left of your string bundle. Then, make a forwards knot, making a forward 4, and knot that around your entire bundle. Then, make a backwards knot, so make a backward 4 with a black string, and then knot that around the bundle. Then set the black string off to the side, and repeat this with the next string in the pattern. For me, that would be dark blue, since that is the next color in my pattern. Keep doing this pattern and knotting the next string with a forward knot and a backward knot, and then separating it once you've knotted it. Once you reach the last string, for me it's white, then place that bundle off to the side and repeat the same thing on the other side but reversing the knots. So, take the first string, and first make a backward 4, a backward knot, and knot that around your bundle of string. Then, make a forward knot with a forward 4, and knot that around your bundle of string. Then set that black string aside, and do the same thing for each and every string until you reach the very last string. If you're making a pattern that repeats only once widthwise, here's a picture of one, then you're done. If you're like me and you're making a bracelet that repeats twice, lengthwise, then just repeat the same thing that you just did from the other side. The concept of this isn't quite difficult, and I have received quite a few requests for this pattern, so I hope this is really helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep the bracelets coming. And if you want to buy any of the bracelets you've seen or any other bracelets I've made, you can visit my website at alexinnovations.weebly.com. In addition, please check out my Instagram page at alexinnovations. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time!